It seems obvious that if banks, factories, and retail shops can be hacked, boats and ports can be hacked too. In the maritime industry, operational technology, OT, has always been the main focus, with ships traditionally having little to no information technology, IT, on board. The limited use of IT meant that ships and their critical systems rarely, if ever, connected to the internet. Modern shipping operations, however, rely heavily on both IT and OT for navigation, communication, and operational management. This reliance makes ships susceptible to cyber attacks that target these technologies. Cybersecurity is emerging as a critical issue, with marine cybercrime rising sharply. The maritime industry is aware of these threats. According to a 2023 report from DNV, 90% of maritime professionals anticipate cyber issues. Together with Damen Shipyards, we took this issue to the ON conference, where we presented our Hack the Boat demo earlier this month. Lieve Jankoning and Hans Kivui took to the stage to show the most prevalent cybersecurity risks in the maritime industry. Whilst the two of them were on stage, threat intel specialist Luca C. Priano was backstage, hacking the boat that was made specifically for this presentation. To further spread awareness, we dedicated episodes of our Threat Talks podcast to this pressing issue. Recorded live from Damen Shipyard's training facility, these podcast episodes focus on the rise of cybercrime in the maritime industry and what prevalent threats this industry is faced with. Of course, hacking this boat is just a demonstration. Modern shipping operations may rely on both IT and OT, but so do many other systems. Think of hospitals, warehouses, factories, all of which deal with the same issue. If you want to stay ahead of today's cyber threats, regardless of what industry you operate in, make sure to tune in to our Threat Talks podcast.